Today being the Goa Statehood Day on 30th May, we dedicate this market for our state. That's why the market is named as Goiche Fest. So this is incidentally the last market because now very soon the monsoons will set in, and we had various age level participation. Children also sang today, the youth and the adults. And above all, we had a ball, Kamsho Ghazali, with noted historian Prajal Shakardande, where he made us aware of the various issues, the pressing issues of our state, and how our state is being taken away from us Goans day by day. So we need to protect our own state. If we have.
Good evening, Father, and good evening to all my Goan brothers and sisters. And तुमकां सगळ्यांक आयचे म्हणजे घटक राज्याची स्टेटहूड डेची परबीं. आफ्टर struggle for our language, आमची मायभास कोंकणी, आमची आयडेंटिटी, गोवन आयडेंटिटी, struggle for culture. Finally, we got the statehood on 30th May 1987. So 30th May 1987, Goa attained statehood, and as the 25th state of the Indian Union, following the language agitation. आमकां आमची भास मायभास कोंकणी म्हणून ऑफिशियल स्टेटस मेळपा खातीर व्हडलें आंदोलन त्या काळच्या लोकांनी कोंकणी परजेचो आवाज हाच्या अंडर केलें. And the immediate fallout or culmination of this was the statehood that was conferred on us by the then Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi on 30th May 1987. There was after Goa's liberation on 19 December 1961, there was a lot of struggle. Goans, आमकां गोंयकारांक struggle करची पडली आनी अजून पडटा regarding our Goan identity. We are always told to compromise on our Goan identity. We are always told to compromise on our mother tongue, that is Konkani. We are always told to compromise on our culture to make other people, rest of the world happy in all these parameters. But finally, Goa attained statehood on 30th May 1987.
ओके, पण आयज आमी पळयता सरकार पासून आयच्या दिसाक तितलें महत्व दिना. एक्चुअली टुडे इट हॅज टू बी अ गोवा डे, पण आमी पळयता गोवा डे आनी केन्ना कोत्ता सेलिब्रेट, इवन एब्रॉड पीपल सेलिब्रेट गोवा डे. पण आयज कित्याक इम्पॉर्टन्स दिना सरकार? वी हॅव नॉट सीन मच फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट सायड.
The most important event in Goa's history is the opinion poll. If it was not for the opinion poll leaders and those Goans who voted against Goa's merger into Maharashtra, which was proposed by the first government of liberated Goa, that is Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Paksh. The first government after Goa's liberation was Maharashtrawadi Gomantak Paksh, and they wanted to merge Goa into Maharashtra. Then opinion poll was held, and because the people, for 54% of the people voted against merger, Goa's identity and entity as Goa was possible. Otherwise, we would have been a small part of Maharashtra and totally, lost in Maharashtra. But because of people like Dr. Jack Sikera, Purushottam Kakodkar, Victoria Fernandez, Shabu Desai, Uday Bemro, Ullas Buyao, so many people, they fought against the merger. And the Goans, I salute those Goans of 1967 who voted against merger. Otherwise, we would have been a small part of Maharashtra. Okay? So, those Goans were the sensible people I really salute them because so opinion poll was very important. After that, we had to fight for our language and we.
आमच्या गोंयची जी कला आनी संस्कृताय आसा, आमचे जे दायज आसा सांस्कृतीक दायज, ते सगळ्या मेरेन व्हरपा खातीर सगळे जरी वावुरता जाल्यार सुद्दां नवी पिळगी जी आसा ती नवी पिळगेक ह्या हाजे बद्दल चडशें खबर ना. आनी हे लोक जे आसात ते चडशे पश्चिमे कडच्यान म्हळ्यार अस्तंते कडल्यान येवपाची जे पळय वेगवेगळी हें आसात ल्हारां आसात, त्या ल्हारां मदें चड गुल्ल जावन रावतात. आनी तातूंत मदें तांकां आमची आवय भास, आमचे हांगचो सैम, आमच्या हांगाचे सगळे कला, आमचे दायज, आमची संस्कृती आनी सगळ्यांचे एकमेका बरोबर रावन जे भावपण आसा ते सगळे जे आसा ते सगळे तांकां चडशें खबर ना. म्हणटकीर अशें जे पळय जेन्ना दायज राखून दवरपाचे अशे उत्सव जातात किंवा इव्हेंट जातात किंवा ल्हानशे कांय जायना पूण एक मार्केट म्हणून जाता, त्या वेळाचेर सगळे गांवचे लोक एकठांय येतात, एकमेकाक पाचारतात, विचारतात आनी तांची वळख जाता. तांकां एक नवें क्षेत्र मेळटा, तांकां गावपाक मेळटा, तांकां वाजोवपाक मेळटा, तांकां उलोवपाक मेळटा, तांकां वेगवेगळी खाणां तयार करपाक मेळटात, ती खाणां हांगा हाडून विकपाक मेळटात. आनी आमची जी कुजीन आसा, जे आमचे पारंपारीक जे आमचे पाकशास्त्र आसा तें सगळें तांकां दाखोवपाक मेळटा. आनी तें पळोवपाचो एक अणभव आमच्या सगळ्या लोकांक, नव्या भुरग्यांक मेळटा. थोड्या हाज्या वस्तूंची थोडी जी खाणां आसात ताची नांवां सुद्दां तांकां खबर नासतलीं, पूण अशें जेन्ना हें घडटा त्या वेळाचेर ते विचारतात, ते समजून घेतात आनी एक आमची जें दायज आसा तें फुडें वचपा खातीर, दुसऱ्या पिळगे मेरेन पावपा खातीर खूब मदत.
And these festivals have their own distinct identity. They are just not fest for fun. There is a lot of Goan culture, Goan heritage, preserving all this Goan identity, Goan music and Goan food. All these aspects are involved in these festivals. And to add to all that, I associated with Marius with one more very important aspect of Goan life, or any life for that matter in society, that is persons with disability who are a marginalized community. Often what happens is in our festival celebrations, these people don't get access. Accessibility generally is missing and people don't think about it. But with Marius, the day years back when I pointed out to him that this fest should be accessible for persons with disability, he has not seen back. He has always ensured that these communities are brought for these festivals. He ensures that there is accessibility, there are accessible toilets, there are ramps, and all these people come. Many times he supports them by when these stalls are put, various services or goods are sold, he ensures that these people get a preference.
And I thought of attending the Pillai market, as I have attended a couple of other festivals organized by Marius and others, and I'm happy that we are trying to maintain our tradition by having programs that are traditional, music or plays, and also talks. For example, today we had on statehood, and we have also people selling items here which are traditional Goan items, especially the food items, and they keep the tradition and the ethos of the people of Goa. The food is a very important element to maintain your tradition and culture.
It gives me immense pleasure to be here at the Pillai Thursday Heritage Market today. It's really emotional because today is the last day, the finale of the grand market. Here I would like to thank Father Derek, the parish priest, and all the villagers, the vendors, So the closing of this market is the bad news. But the good news is Goença Festacar, Marius Fernandes, is coming up with a rain market. That's really great news. And that will be in Porvorim in the Konkani Kendra. So the first fest that will be held in support of all the vendors will be the Ponsache Fest on the 22nd of June. So I do hope that you are all there to support all the vendors and the village, the Goan traditions, and we shall have lots of fun. I shall be waiting for you, so please do come.
This Pilen Thursday Heritage Market today is the last market before the monsoon sets in. So a lot of people are upset, disappointed, but that was the bad news. But the good news is we are starting up with a brand new market in Porvorim on the 22nd. This market has been so empowering for over 50 families selling all local goods in Goa. The disabled community has gained, people with mental health, single parents, and most importantly, it has brought the community together. We have people who are living on their own in flats around Porvorim and Sangolta and Saligao have been attending every Thursday. We've had amazing themes like the Mango Festival, Cashew Festival over the last few Thursdays. And in that regard, I have to thank Father Derek Fernandes, the parish priest of St. John the Baptist Church, and the volunteers for doing a tremendous job and putting Pilen on the world map. You can now go around the world and say you're Pilen, and they will tell you, oh, the market or Mathiache Fest. So please, we are looking forward to your support. In November they're going to restart here, but before that we are going to be in Porvorim for the Ponsache Fest on the 22nd of June. Thank you.